So good morning students. So welcome to today's class. So before we begin today's class, I want to say you a short story. And the title of the story is Divya's Discovery. So once there lived a girl whose name was Divya. So she was studying in class 6 in Monocot Secondary School. And Divya, she really loved to draw. Whenever she got any free time, she used to sit in one place and she used to start drawing. So one fine Sunday morning, after having her food, Divya and her mother, they went to their garden. And while her mother was plucking some of the vegetables, so Divya quietly sat in one of the corner, and started drawing. She started drawing leaves of different plants which she was drawing. And whilst drawing the leaves of the plants, she was very confused. You know why she was confused? While she was drawing, she was really confused. When she saw the leaves of different plants, she saw different leaves had different kinds of lines in their leaves. And she was curious. She was really curious to know why different plants have different types of lines in their leaves. So have you ever seen leaves with different types of lines? Okay, so let's see what were the different kinds of leaves which Divya saw. The first kind of leaves which Divya saw was this. So in this leaf, Divya saw this particular leaf, it had straight lines running from bottom to its end. This was the leaf 1. And the other kind of leaf which Divya saw was this. So this particular leaf, the lines, they were branched. So in this leaf, this was second types of leaves. So in the first leaf, the lines were straight. In the other leaf, these lines were branched. So students, the thin line which you see in the leaves, they are called veins. And during this process, during this observation, Divya discovered something very amazing. She discovered plants had different types of lines in their leaves. And you know what? She distinguished something very important. Based on these lines and other different types of features, these flowering plants are divided into two categories. The first one is monocot, and the other one is dicot. So coming back to the leaf, the lines which is running in the leaves, they are called veins. And the line, a thick line which is present in the middle, these are called the central vein or the midrib. And the way veins are arranged in the leaf, it is called venation. And the particular kinds of leaf, particular kind of lines which runs straight, this kind of venation is called as parallel venation. And the kind of venation which is branched, those type of venation is called reticulate venation. And the monocot or the monocotyledons, they have parallel venation, and dicot or dicotyledonous plant, they have reticulate venation. So parallel venation is seen in monocot and reticulate venation is seen in dicot. So some of the examples of monocot plant which has parallel venation, one is paddy and the other one is banana and others. And two examples of dicot plant which has reticulate venation, first one is mango and the other one is rose. So let's recapitulate what we learned just now. So there are two types of flowering plants. The first one is, we call it as monocot or monocotyledon. The second one is called dicot or dicotyledon. And monocot, they have parallel venation, and dicot, they have reticulate venation. And what is venation? Venation is the way in which veins are arranged in the leaves, and the middle line is called as a central vein or a midrib, and the one which is on the side, they are called secondary veins. So in next class we will see the different types of roots in monocot.